Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to fade part of and picture in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show fade part of picture in Microsoft Publisher. Now, firstly, going to the Insert menu option. Now click for Insert menu option, then click for Picture option. Now select from picture, then find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for Insert option. That's it. Now research your image. This image fade part of picture. Now going to the again Insert menu option, then click for a shape option. Now click for rectangle shape. Now create the shape. Now going to the shape fill option, then click for a white color and click for a shape outline option, then click for no outline. Then going to the shape format option, then transparency. Okay. That's it. Then we show fade part of picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.